Did you know some of the freshest, healthiest snacks might be growing just steps from your kitchen? I'm turning garden goodies into tasty surprises you can munch in minutes. From crisp peppers to fragrant herbs, your backyard can be your snack bar. No preservatives, no mystery ingredients, just pure, homegrown flavour. Gardening isn't just relaxing, it's creative. You grow it, you pick it, you snack on it. Today I'm making a super-fast garden-to-table bite-herbed cream cheese mini peppers. If you've got Greek yogurt instead of cream cheese, perfect use that. Here's what I need: mini sweet peppers, fresh basil, parsley, a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Optional, a crack of black pepper, lemon zest, or chili flakes if you like a little kick. Step 1. Slice the mini peppers in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds. Step 2. Chop a handful of basil. Step 3. Chop a handful of parsley. I go for about 2 tablespoons of each, but eyeballing is welcome. Step 4. In a bowl, mix the herbs into the cream cheese or yogurt. Add that drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of salt. Stir until it's smooth, flecked with green, and smelling amazing. Step 4. Pipe the mixture into the pepper boats. Finish with a sprinkle of pepper, lemon zest. Take a bite. Sweet pepper snap, silky herbs, garden fresh. See how a small harvest feeds big creativity? The garden isn't just pretty, it's practical. Show me your garden snacks in the comments and follow for more foodie gardening tips.